Hi everyone, this is Javelin, and I'm gonna to show you how to make your own progress and make some tweak on your progress. First you're gonna to go to the NetBeans because the NetBeans is your make your the great tutorial of the Java, and this video is based on Java programming. And I'm gonna talk not very much because I want to make the parts so that you can learn it very well. And click the download here. And this version is 8.0.2. I'm gonna use the all because this is simplify make the any kind of the programs, and you can use the Java and the C, etc. And I download it and install it as here. NetBeans, open it. It will loading the modules, and I create the one of the Java application, and I'm gonna show you how to create this project. And click the next and click the finish, simplify, and choose the Java application. And I want to go and show you how to write up your own Java application. And you need install Java too. And install Java, we can get it started. And this is package name is Java application 2 and public class Java application 2. Why it was the public class? Because Java have the many class on the package or project, and the class file name will like the dot class dot Java etc. And public will show your class on this package. Everyone can see your object in this class. And this is the basic Java program plugin, the void main. This is the main object. And why they need to the public and the static and void? Because the public will show you the main class, and static will make the main to stable, and and uh, and it will make the so quotable. And string arguments, this is like the someone will execute your file, and it will need some arguments like the description and etc, like java dash jar your file dot jar, and you can take the arguments here like this arguments arguments 1, arguments 2, etc. and why it need to the string or not the integer and or the double float etc, because the string is say why like the symbol 1 plus symbol 1, it will make into the 1 not the 2, because the integer, because the string can do the plus, can do the anything, just the words and words. So we usually to text make the text to to use the symbol, this symbol. And how do we show it? It will to the system .out.println. Println is just making your many lines, and every you do the command, it will make this symbol. And in the big class, like the class or the void, it was to use this symbol to cover it. And the print line can use the string. So the argument string is, of course, you can do this arguments, and you will print your argument here, like your Java -jar, your file .jar, and print some hi, and it will, if you are running this program and it is out the print line and the text the arguments, it will text hi. It's simplify. And next, we need to show you how to text something. Text something just like this: system.out.print, and print want to making the lines. So you use the print and system print again, like this. Sorry, forgot out. Like this, A and B. If you want to making the different line, it will in the one line and the text the AB. Wait, let me execute. Oh, sorry. The arguments we will remove it because we execute we will need some arguments, but we don't need to understand what arguments do the NetBeans to do for or execute for, and you run, it will text A B and be successful. Okay. It will, if you want to print it on the different line, and you can use the ln. ln is a line on the Java simple to talk, like a nickname or lines. Look, you will to text the different line A and B. Okay, let's do the next. And we need to the ask question and let the user to keyboard it, like hi, and you want to read what is he say the hi, and we need to use the if and else. How to use that? If is meaning what do you want to the user need to do, like 1 equals 1, if 1 equals, okay, sorry, we need to program it, but how do we need to program it? Like integer x equals 1, and if x equals 1, wait, equals. In the if or else, we need to the double equals, because the Java rules, I don't know what the Java or Oracle thinking, but it need. And if you want to the dot 123 etc, we need to use the double s equals we use another one, y equals 0.123, and that you can execute. Or we need to use the boolean, just like your true or false question, yes or no questions, like what like do you love the apple, and we only to yes I like or no I don't like. Two cases we can use this, like question equals true, like this. And how do we use the if x equals 1 and say the out the print line and say it is a valid word in the program, and you can test run x equal 1, and normally it will show it's a valid word in the program. Let's do this. It's a valid word in the program. Yes. But how we know to the double cases, like x equals 1 and we need to use the y equal 0.123, and we need to use the else if y equal 0.123, and it will take double valid. Let me print it. Print line double valid, and let's take a look what it will say about. If change it, y is valid. Okay, print it. It is valid word in the program. But if I remove the integer x, it will text. Wait. Y. Y is valid. Oh yeah. Okay. And what is the double slash meanings? Double slash is the Mexican description, and this description not the application command, and it will last description is a to-do code and the logic here, and like this is a program name, program the y symbol or the double, and we can take it program this number of y. This simply, and it won't work if you remove the slash. It will to the red underline, because this is not using on the Java. There is no word proclaim in Java, no word number, no word of, no word y. So we need slash. Yes, and easily. Okay, how do we know the user is texting the something, and we need to read it, have the system out and have the system in? How do we do now? We need to import something, because this is not used on the default Java. So need input java.util the scanner just like the wait import java dot util dot scanner yes, like this. And how do we do now? I want to explain why we need to import it. Import it is meaning the Java util scanner is in the Java default path, but how we need to use on these classes, because this scanner is new. It never used in the Java 1.0 or beta, and the first Java it isn't using the import. When they need to add something new, it will need to import on it. So let me make the questions. Let's system the out the println what color do you like? Do you like? Yes, simplify. You are asking you what color you like, and we need to make the new scanner. So scanner input equals new scanner, and system input. Okay, simple. And we make the program the input text word. So we need string input text equals input the next, and the next is string. If you want to using the integer, you need to the next. We need to use the next int. If this is the double, use next double, next float, and next long, next short, and the next byte. Byte meaning the only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bit meaning the byte, and 2 bit mean the boolean. And then next just the string. It will text in here. Okay. Let me using the if and else. If it takes the if input text equal dot equals to the red, you can make it say system out print line like yeah, I like the red too. Or if you don't type the red, type the other one, which need system out print line. Let's say you choose the different color, and Let me execute it. What color do you like? I say the red. And you, yeah, I like the red too. And let me see, execute it again. We need to the another answers, like black. Or you choose a different color. Yeah. Let me do the next. And there's something called let's see. By the way, we have the blog in the website. And we have the blog is Jefflin JE598. And you will search the LCY website because my name is Lin Chang Yu. And it is a Chinese name to name it my name. Well, my English name is Jefflin. So this is my blog. I have the introducing and how to using the Linux and the Java etc. If you like, you can click at the Google Plus and follow and plus one me or you can follow on my Twitter. And you can follow me, and I will post many things in the Twitter. Okay, and I think okay, that's my blog, and today is let's do the next. And how to use the boolean in the if or else. Boolean boolean this question equals true, and if this question is true. Okay. Now using the scanner. Okay, we just program it, and we don't know what is this question. This boolean is true or else false. We need to program the scanner. Scanner input equals new scanner system dot in, and put in this question, and then we can use the if. Oh, sorry. I forgot to use the scanner input. The string input text equals input dot next, and we can if the input text equals dot equals I love Apple. If he takes the I love Apple, and we want to make this question will say the true, this question equals true, and else is this question will be false. This question equals false. Okay, and we judge this question true or false, and what text do the user text, and we need to the output say what is this question, is true or false. We need to text it system.out.println, and this question. Okay, let me execute it. Okay, I say I love apple. What? Wait, my program have the bug because I'm a newbie in the Java. Sorry. Oh, I forgot to program the I love apple is the text string apple equals I love apple. I say I love apple. Oh, friend. It's apple. Okay, now and clean and build. I love apple. Build successful, and then run again. Stop it. Oh, let me execute again. I love apple. What? The equals. Okay, maybe it can use the space. I need to use in I love apple. Test I love apple. Oh yes, this is it true. And I don't know why it can use the space on the Java, but you can use if or else using the boolean, and it will text the true or false. And I want to talk the for loop and the while loop. And what is the for loop? First, what is the for loop? And the for loop is like the counter or cursor, and the counter it will say 1 2 3 4. If you use the you wanna text the 1 2 3 4, and you can just text the 4. Oh, sorry. For integer I equals 1, and I is not higher than 10. And I will keep in plussing. And if you wanna to print out the text of integer print I. Oh, sorry. I. Okay, it will show the 2 online. Okay, let me run it. Blah blah. Oh, sorry. Integer. If you use the plus, it will text the plus. So let me execute again. Give more chance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you really want to change line, make it the 10 lines. You need to use. Okay, let me delete the scanner and let me execute again. Print line. Now using the different line, you can look this 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is a 4. If you want to make the 2, 4, 8, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 10, no 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and you can use the I equals I plus 2. I equals I plus 2. And let me try to text it. Oh, sorry. I equals 1. And it will text 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Change it. I equals 0 to the different 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 0. Okay. And we're gonna do the next is while. While loop just if you do the 1 equals 1, and they will keep looping to the if the 1 not is 1, it will stop it. Like if 1 equals 1, but 1 always equals 1, so it will keep it loading, and loading. When you not do the stop button. So let me get started. System out.print line loop. It will keep on saying the loop word because 1 equals 1. Loop, 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 and it will keep on showing. Before you press the stop button, click to cancel the process. And yes, need to cancel. Okay. Nice. And we can make the for and while making the showing like this one. For integer I equals 0 and I not higher than 10. What? I'm not higher than 10. Oh, it's now 1. It's I. I'm not higher than 10, and I will keep it plusing. And system out print line. No. I just want to keep it in plusing, and plusing. If I not higher than 5, and it will show the loop. Okay. Oh, sorry. I want I forgot to move it, and it will read the what is I. I is an integer and not higher than 10, and it will keep it processing by one. And let me execute. Oh my god. Let me do again. Oh my god. Sorry, I have a bug. I'm the beginner of the Java, and I wanna use it again. And when I will fix the 1 and 4, and then I will record a new video in here, and I will see you next time.